This is the first of our iteration tutorials, and in this tutorial what we're going to do is look at for loops. Now a for loop is a loop that will repeat the number of times that we tell it to, and they're very easy to code. So let's code one for a program that's going to count from 0 to 10. What we're going to start with is the keyword for, and that will start our for loop. And then we're going to create a temporary variable. Now this temporary variable will only exist for the duration of the for loop running, but it will allow us to keep count of how many times our loop has ran for. So I'm going to call it count. Now you can call it whatever you want. Some people like to call it I, but I personally like to call mine count. So for count, and then I'm going to put in range, and then open my brackets. Now range is a function that allows us to tell this loop how many times to count. So if we start in counting at 0, all we need to do is put the number in that we want to count up to. I'm then going to output something so we can see it in our shell, and the output I'm going to use is that count variable. So this is going to show me what count starts at and what it ends at. So if I run this program now, you'll see that it's going to output 0 all the way up to 9, because it's going to start counting at 0, and that's going to be 10